Question number 13. The function f is defined by this. Write down the range of fx. Okay, so we know that the graph of square root is something like this, and then this is square root x, and square root x plus 5 will be something like this. So this is negative 5, and we have the negative of the square root x plus 5 is something like this, and then plus 2, so it's moved up 2 units. Okay, so we know that the f of negative 5 is 2 minus square root negative 5 plus 5, then it is 2, and the f of 0 is 2 minus square root 0 plus 5, which is 2 minus square root 5. So the range is the fx is between the 2 minus square root 5 and 2. So this one inclusive, so the 2 here is inclusive. So this will be the answer. So we want to find the f inverse and state the domain and the range. Okay. So let fy equal to x, then f inverse of x equal to y. So 2 minus square root y plus 5 equal to x. 2 minus x is the square root of y plus 5. 2 minus x squared equal to y plus 5. So the y will be the 2 minus x squared minus 5. So the f inverse of x will be the 2 minus x squared minus 5. So we know that the domain of f inverse is actually the range of f, and the range of f inverse is actually the domain of f. So the domain of f inverse will be the x between, just now the range is 2 and 2 minus square root 5. 2 minus square root 5 and 2, this one inclusive. The range of f inverse is the f inverse of x is between just now this one is negative 5 and 0, so negative 5 and 0. So next we want to solve this one, fgx equal to 0. Okay, so the fgx is the gx, we put the gx inside the f. So 2 minus square root 4 over x plus 5. So we have the fgx equal to 0. Then it will become this one equal to 0. So we have the 2 equal to square root 4 over x plus 5. 2 squared is the 4 over x plus 5. So the 4 over x equal to the 4 minus 5. So the 4 equal to negative x, x equal to negative 4. Okay. Yes. So we square both sides here. This one move to the other side. So this one move here, and then the x multiplied with here, this is negative 1 multiplied with x. Then we multiply negative x for both sides. Then we have negative 4 equal to x, x equal to negative 4. Okay, done. So this one actually we can do it using the other way. Okay, the other method. So since we already find the f inverse, okay, so we can move the x to the other side. So we have the gx is the f inverse of 0. So f inverse of 0, so f inverse is 2 minus x. square minus 5. So the x here becomes 0. Then it's 4 minus 5 negative 1. So gx equal to negative 1. So gx is what? 4 over x. So 4 over x equal to negative 1. 4 equal to negative x. X equal to negative 4. Yes, we can get the same answer using this method. Okay.